Venye James alikuanga na record videos na tukaambiwa ati tukuje tukwambie zimetumwa alafu zitasaidia kununua sanduku yake. Sasa wewe utaenduambia watu wa familia sanduku ishanunuliwa. Pesa leo hizo pesa.
Jingapi?
Ziko 12,000. So you can hold this for me so I count the money. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the money that I was sent, and it's because I told you guys that we are supposed to cater for the
coffin, Suti.
You see, she's alone.
Yeah.
I told you guys on my most of the videos that I've been creating, they don't have a dad. She's the one who has been taking care of them, and she's left alone. Okay. Yeah, so she's really not doing okay. So Mandela, sijui kama nimpe hizi ama mbaki nazo ndio mtagharamikia hiyo sanduku.
Hizo sasa sisi tunabaki nazo ndio tujue vile tuna organize.
Acha baki nazo.
Iko sawa mama? Nimpe hizi abaki nazo. Alafu tumeambiwa kuna vicho. Hakuna.
Okay, let me count it first, guys. You know?
Kuna shimo.
Huko hivi. So guys, kumbe yani mpaka kumbe hadi kuna shimo mrap. Hata unintari ni video tiga nkore hano ya 30 minutes.
Ya 30 minutes.
Hii ndio choo. This is the toilet which they want to prepare, but there is no any amount of money, guys. No money of preparing this toilet so that they can use. Yeah. Of course, guys.
The toilet is here already.
Sasa unaona hapa vai. Kitu tu ya hapa ni kuweka hiyo slab. Hiyo slab. Na unajua tunanunua wire mesh. Tunanunua na cement mbili zitatosha kuweka hiyo slab. Na kokoto tununue tukutuku moja. Sasa kama tutajenga ya matofari, hizi si ni room mbili.
Shike kamera.
Hizi si ni room mbili.
Hivi.
Okay, isn't it?
Explain in English.
Yeah, this you know, we want just to
What's your plan? You want to build we construct a very good
a good one.
Because we are not contributing it for the burial only.
Yes.
We are doing it like for the
entire they can use
for the entire life, because this is their home. This is where they stay. They are not going to move from here after the burial.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. So you know me, I know about the fundi. You know I'm an engineer somehow.
Yeah.
We are going to use wire mesh. Yeah. So that we are going to buy the material which is needed here. The material which is needed here is wire mesh.
Yeah.
Cement. We need like 3 bags of cement. We need 2 wire mesh. Just white one. And we need a concrete.
Yeah.
Is it a concrete?
Yeah.
And we need
concrete. What do you mean concrete? How many concrete? Oh,
yeah.
Ballast.
Ballast. It's a ballast. No.
See ballast.
Ballast is when you mix with sand. Yeah. So.
Okay.
So and we need the tofari so that we can raise
bricks.
The bricks.
Yeah,
so that we can raise the wall.
Yeah.
And we need the iron sheet.
Yeah.
Like which you see, guys, here the plan that they had, they didn't have a plan of using bricks.
Yeah. Yes.
So, but for us,
this plan,
they wanted you see, they've already covered. So I think here they could just put the sand and a small hole without even cement. And here they fence with maybe,
with their makaratas.
Yeah,
you know, they can use
maybe chucks or big like.
So what we could do?
What is the estimation?
The estimation.
Like for money.
Yeah.
Okay, for all of this construction. Yeah. Baka imalizi.
Yeah.
Here we can use around that will be less.
30,000.
30,000.
Yeah. That it can be. Yani hiyo 30 itamaliza lakini plus this. Just this moment. Lakini kama mpaka plaster ifike to 40. Just tusisteseke ile
30,000 approximately.
Approximately.
Kumbe ni pesa mingi.
Yeah. Because the material, unajua materials zitaenda hapa ni mingi. Yeah.
Cement mbili.
Cement ni okay, hiyo mbili nilikwambia kuweka hiyo.
Anyway guys, let's not complain. We are going to do what we will.
Yes.
Before the burial so that people can use it. Okay? Because that's the we don't have an option. So that's the plan, but you're going to use what's there. If we get the whole man, we're going to hold all of it. If we don't, you're going to do what we can.
What we
right?
can, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
And I see like tomorrow, we meet here early, very early, so that we can even start the contribution as ourselves, so that we can see how we can start to build it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow in the morning.
Tomorrow in the morning.
Yeah. No. So it's on the plan.
So this kid here is like
yes, guys. So you know, he's called him Machugu.
Yes. You can see him like he's young, but the brains.
He's a big boy.
He's a big boy in the
How old
brain.
is he by the way?
Ni mdogo lakini
mkubwa, lakini huyo hapa na miaka 16.
He's old. Though short.
Machugu.
Old but short.
Kama 16 years, but very short. And Akil, about money. He knows money. Anajua pesa. He knows money.
That's the goal.
Sasa mnaona hicho kitachukua mabati 5 ama hivi
5 iron sheets.
4 zile refu, unajua ni
4 zile refu itakuwa fiti. So guys, ni hivyo
4 iron sheets.
4 iron,
very big.
And we need the nails. You know why I'm telling you that it can we can spend here around 40k so that we complete the permanent one.
Yeah.
It's because we need many material here, and we are going to pay the mason. We are going to pay the handman. Yeah. So that's
Let's
why.
hope for the best, guys.
Yeah.
And you know, and we only remaining with a few days.
And you
know what? We are only remaining with only a few days.
Yeah. 4 days.
Only
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday.
Yeah.
Monday is supposed to be the deadline.
Yeah.
Not even Monday, Sunday.
Sunday.
Because on Monday
3 days.
people will be here because they'll be bringing in from the box. Yeah.
So we need on Monday.
Saturday is Mchango.
Yeah.
Saturday is Mchango day.
Even tomorrow,
Guys.
Tomorrow is on Friday.
Exactly. Anyway, guys, let's hope for the best. We are going to do...
No. You know when people will come here for contribution, and maybe they come and find, they will understand. They find the construction is on. Yeah, they will understand.
So guys, let's hope for the best. I know that everything is going to be great, and our friend is going to
have a best send off.
For sure. That's our goal.
Yes.
We don't have an option. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yes, guys.
I want to end my video now here, guys. Thank
Sam,
you so much.
I'm going to end mine here.
Thank you
You want to end?
You don't have another video.
Okay, so you want to end your video. Can I introduce Vaya?
Yeah, you can come and introduce yourself here.
Okay. Alright, what's
This
up,
is our
guys?
chairman, guys.
Yes.
He's the one controlling, and that one over there is our
Treasurer, our organizer.
Yeah, you can introduce yourself.
So kind of guys, what's up guys? Yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, welcome in Make channel.
You can give Sunday your phone for him to hold.
Yeah, Sunday hold it for me, guy. Yeah, Matwere, you can hold it for me. Introduce Yava.
So we stand the other way around.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So let me start. Greetings is good. What's up, guys? Hi. welcome to Make channel. Yeah, kind guys.
That way, my videos are raw and cut. Why are you fearing today? You always talk Jamaican boy.
Jamaican boy Africa. So stay tuned till the end. If it's the first time to hear that name, Jamaican boy Africa, kindly guys subscribe to me. Yeah, subscribe to Jamaican boy Africa. You know, to subscribe is to click the bell.
That bell, subscribe and click that bell. Please guys, this is also my brother. You can check him out on YouTube at Jamaican Boy Africa, and really appreciate. He just started his channel the other day, but he's really doing a great job for sure. So please check him out, give him a motivation. We are here, he's our chairman. He's the one who is helping us to run things around. And he's doing an amazing job, and that's what friends are for sure. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Check him out, subscribe if you haven't, and really appreciate. I think this is going to be the end of my video, and that's all guys. Thank you guys so much, and bye
guys. Yes man, yeah man, Jamaican boy Africa here. Yeah, with Make. You know, she's my sister, she's my friend, she's my everything here. You know, now here we are in the funeral.
Sure.
Yeah, she's really supporting us here and there. You know, as from the first you saw her to my video. Now you will actually see her each and every day.
And actually, she's our first lady in our village and to introduce us in the YouTube channel.
Yeah, in the YouTube channel.
And I'm so proud of you guys. Continue going.
Thank you.
Keep uploading videos, okay?
Yes.
And you'll see the fruit of it. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. I can't wait to see you guys building. Let our village be famous like Nyabohans.
Yeah, like Nyabohans, of course.
And without you guys working hard, uploading videos each and every day, we're not gonna get there.
Sure.
I can't wait to see you guys buying land, building big mansions, villas, traveling the world. That's the goal. But for you don't upload videos.
I'll do it.
Yeah, you have to.
You know the day this guy was starting YouTube, he said I'll be consistent.
They always say that.
But I'll be.
And you know what? Since we posted a video with him, we have never
posted.
I'll take it first, I promise.
Since we did an introduction video.
I remember last day he said that he's a joker.
He said by
He knows he's a joker.
he knows he's a joker. I am a joker. But I know you'll come back.
Yes, so guys, we are here, even Benito.
Yeah, what's up guys? We are here for our friend James Robbie. Yeah, we really lost a very big person here in the village. A dancer, an artist, a YouTuber. He had a YouTube channel, guys. If you need to know more about him, go search James Robbie. You'll get to know more about him. So we are here guys, and trying to make sure that everything is running. And these are our head as the youth.
The youth
Jamaican boy
of what?
Of us, you know, Jamaican boy.
Jamaican boy Africa.
Trying to make sure that everything is running smooth. So my name is Gasuku Benito. I am a content creator too, guys. Go check me out at Gasuku Benito. Subscribe. Road to 20,000 subscribers and road to success. Bless her.
For sure.
Yeah man. We are here.
Where are you, Ashton?
Ashton is here.
I was introducing.
And Sunday J.
Hello guys.
We were checking the toilet.
Welcome to
because they have said that it is in a bad condition.
Jamaican boy Africa.
Welcome to Jamaican boy Africa. I'm here, the best content creator in Eastern Africa, guys. I'm here to support their family here, guys. We were so sad, guys, as a content creator to lose our friend here, guys. We are so sad, and we are here to support. Just say something if you are a friend of Jamaican boy, guys. If you are my friend, if you are a friend of Mr. Benito.
Why you laughing when you are pronouncing my name?
Why?
Why?
Okay, it's my private. So guys, I was saying that I'm going to feel good, guys, when you say something to support our brother here, our family brother here. And guys, if you are returning subscriber, Jamaican boy, it's not my first time to be in this channel. I'll be here in the
Last video.
not last video, bro. Yeah, because
You don't like it when I talk. Huh?
no, I like when you talk. You don't know. Why
Okay, continue.
Yeah. So guys, I was saying that
You go check in.
feel free, guys, to support.
Yes.
Feel free to support, and we are here, guys, to make
Benito, come.
give a family company.
Yeah.
Company.
Or you feel like this is like your channel?
Support.
I am here this time.
Sunday
So
JJ.
Sunday JJ, guys.
Welcome
So,
to Ashton Mams
yeah,
YouTube.
all of
And,
us.
we are here, man. We are here, man, to support our bro, James Robbie.
Yeah.
I know he been in your channel.
Yeah,
in my channel,
Yeah. So we are here, guys, and trying to make sure that things run smoothly. Yeah. By contributing, by bringing ideas, by being there, as a friend.
Yes.
As friends.
Tuwakilisha.
Yeah, tuwakilisha. We call it tuwakilisha. Yeah, being there. When her mom sees us here, she feels so nice. Yeah, seeing us. We were coming here while Jemo was here. We were coming here, so let her see us too when Jemo is not around.
Yeah.
So my name is Gasuku Benito. If you don't know me, you are seeing me for the first time. I am a content creator, very big content creator, but not that very big.
Running 20,000 subscribers.
Yeah, running 20,000 subscribers. But we are trying, man. Village boys trying. We lost our content creator too. I just introduced him on YouTube the other day, man.
And he was really uploading videos.
Yes.
Oh, James Robbie. Yeah, of course.
Of course, he was uploading videos.
Yeah.
And he was a very social person.
It's
nice
social.
to everyone.
Nice to everyone.
Yeah, nice to everyone.
Yeah.
So bring hands together, guys. If you're out there, you will need to support. Yeah. If you are a Jamaican boy, is like a friend or a supporter out there, kindly you want to support, reach him. If you are a Ashton Mambo's friend and supporter and you really want to support, kindly reach him.
Yeah,
man, and we will appreciate.
Because we have really a lot of things to
do, man.
We have to build the toilets, get a coffin, a good clothes for him, for the mom. Even the mom is supposed to put on a good clothes.
Yeah, good clothes.
Good clothes, and nice dress and nice shoes. The brothers, they need to have at least something cool for them to honor their brother. So we really have a lot of things. And with ourselves, we are not going to manage girls.
For real.
And we are the only people to make our friends' burial to be successful. So if you are out there and you want to support anything, not only financially guys, you can send words of encouragement to the mom. You can send words of encouragement to the brothers. Because it's not easy for them. It's really a hard time for them. I was with the mom there and I was almost crying. I can't, and I was just controlling myself because I can't start crying. And yet, when she's going to see us cry, she's going to start crying. Okay. So guys, if you need, you can maybe you get any chance or you want to support us, you can reach Ashton Mambo out and let him know that we want to support the family this and this, or you can reach Jamaican boy out, let him know that you want to support the family this and this, and we really appreciate. We really need your support, guys, at this hard time. And guys, without you, we wouldn't be here today. Without you, I don't know what we could do, honestly, because even the tents, a lot of things, it's us. And it's because of you guys. So continue watching the video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Please subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, you can go and show them around how the tents are, the music.
I'm subscribed to Mickey.
Yeah,
Yes. So guys, yeah, this is the home. This is the home of James. This is the home of James. As you can see now, right now, we are just here. Yeah, in the home of James. This is the Tata. Tata? Mbuya Tata? Niaje? So guys, Anotore? Yeah, guys, even this one is the maze of James. You know, James, he was a farmer. This is the maze. He was being farming here, and you can see just the home of James is just this beautiful. It's not very bad, guys, but it has been happened, guys. Yeah, so you can see the people is here mourning. Yeah, mourning with us together, mourning with the family. Yeah, mourning with the family, guys. This is their clothes. This is how they need their clothes, guys. As you can see, yes. So kindly, guys. This is the home of James. This is the house. This was the house of James. This was the house of James. Yeah, this was the house of James, guys. Look. As you can see. Yeah. So right now we are here. We are here just doing Mawantu, guys. Yes, the vijana is inside there. Yes, so be good to make everything to be fine. Yeah, so that things can go well, things can go great, things can go good. Yeah, and fine. Yeah, you know, to vlog, guys, it's a bad to vlog here. They say, oh, I don't know what, yeah. But we are here and we have decided to support our friend where we can. We have decided to support our friend where we can. Yeah, and everything it will be okay.
We have also Ndeshi here.
Yeah, Jamaican boy.
Yeah, Jamaican boy.
Yeah. Yes, I'm a Jamaican boy, Africa kind. Guys, if it's the first time for you to hear the name Jamaican boy Africa, please go search Jamaican boy Africa. Click the bell, guys. Subscribe. When you subscribe is you show love.
Yeah, you show love.
Yeah, you show love. To subscribe is to show love, guys. So you know, you are our good people. You know, without our subscriber,
man,
know us. No subscriber, know us.
If you don't subscribe and you guys,
yeah.
You see, if you're watching this video,
yes,
subscribe.
Yeah.
If you're my fan,
yeah,
Jamaican
boy, yeah.
If you are Jamaican boys fan,
you are
my fan.
Ashton Mambo. Yeah.
My name is Ashton Mambo, guys.
Yes.
This is a coincidence here. I was also doing a video.
Yes, guys.
I was also doing a video here
at the funeral.
Yeah, at the funeral here at James Roddy's place.
All right.
Yeah, we came together. You know, he was young.
He was a YouTuber.
Yeah, he was a YouTuber and he was young.
He was very young.
23 years. So,
for real.
Because we are in the same age group and we are friends.
Yeah, we are
a lot
friends.
of people
who are around here. They are young.
Yeah, they are young. They also they joined all of us to join.
Yeah.
People came from far, imagine, guys.
From far, because you know,
someone came like from town, we go to town. Like,
yeah.
Like,
and someone they are also travel from all the way from Nairobi, and they are coming in Migori County, guys.
So there was yeah, so people traveled from far away. People are traveling from far away to come support the family, man.
Yeah, to come and support the family. That's
your support, your love can never be taken for granted.
Yeah, for real.
As Mick said, guys.
Yeah. Let's show love.
Let's show love to the family
by supporting. Anything. You know, when they support us. Yeah, you know, when they you know, when they can support us, that's why we show love to our James family. We really support them.
Like through, you see guys, you can support us through contribution.
Yeah.
You see,
and
like,
we want to with the preparing the toilet there. Yeah, we can just go there. Can just walk there. And
how he will be brought to his home. You see, it's a lot of things.
Even they need a lot of transport to bring him from the hospital.
As Little said, guys, not only through contribution,
from the
even
mall.
through words of love to the family, man.
Yeah,
love to the family, and they will really appreciate, man.
Yeah. Yeah. So kindly, guys. You know, Ashti. You know, you have started now. Hayo kuya ni yote mekuya hayo. So mi naona wananiita huko ndani. Kama they want to do such a calculation. Yeah, you know, I'm the chairman.
This is the chairman. This is the one who is controlling.
Yeah, controlling the mkutano. Yeah, the meeting. Maraba. Utakula. So I can see they are calling me here, so that they need me there so that we can do some calculation. We see how we can get food for tomorrow. You know, it's us. Sisi ndo tunasimamia kila kitu. How can I say? We are the one who
will know how
the family are eating, the friends, and we are the one who know how the funeral are running. I think is that I can say. Yeah, so that's why we are here, and they are calling me through the phone, so I have to go inside and we do some calculation. We have just contributed a less amount there, so we want to go and do some budget so that you can get sukuma wiki, guys, kales. Yeah, we can get kales and we can cook for the people and for our friends and for us too. So that we can eat. You know, we really stay here.
Yeah, we came in the morning and we'll be leaving in the evening.
We came here very early in the morning and we leave in the evening. And we being busy and the entire day. We've been busy each and every day. So kindly, guys, stay tuned. Watch
the
to
video
the end. Yeah, we shall meet. Okay, you're gonna come. So guys, let me end my video in this point, guys. I'm going to say that thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you, because you really support us. Thank you for watching, because you're going to watch to the end, guys. I'm appreciating your love, because you are my subscriber. You watch my video. You really support us, guys. That's why I can say thank you for everything. Thank you so much, and welcome again to the next video, and everything will be okay. I'm going to show you what is going on till the end of this funeral of our friend here, James. His home is here, kindly, guys, as you can see. As I have told you that he was my really friend, and I really love. He was really a friend of many people. Alikuwa mtu wa watu. So kindly, guys, let's show in the next video. I'm here to end my video. It will end here. Bye guys. Thank you.